The question comes how you are going to manage team. Till now you have managed 5 people, how you are going to manage 14 people. Till now you have managed 14 people, how you are going to manage 150 people as a national sales manager. You have managed 150 people, how you are going to manage 1700 team members. In my earlier organization, 1700. Today 2500 is ever growing. I strongly believe, there are organizations which has got 30,000 people. There are organizations which has got few 100,000 people. Do you think like any leader we manage 100,000 people? Do you think like somebody manage 30,000 people? My answer is always, we don't manage 30,000 people. We don't manage 100,000 people. What we manage is our leadership team. If you are able to manage your leadership team and it's not managed, how you are going to groom your leadership team? How you are going to work along with your leadership? How you make sure that leadership positions are filled with the right person for that particular job? I believe if you are able to do that rightly, they will do the same thing below, and this goes on till the last level. So what answer is, I don't manage 2,500 people as a whole, though it belongs to my organization. What I manage properly, what I groom properly, where I focus properly is my leadership team. My span of control of 8 or 9 people. This doesn't mean that I don't go and take feedback from the ground level. I go and do that. Many organizations, in my earlier organization, there is a step level of feedback which is there. So you go down, you listen to them, but actually what you focus is on your leadership team. So whenever somebody asks that, are you managing 30,000? I think nobody can manage 30,000, especially the organization which is scattered throughout the globe. Their presence maybe 150 countries, 60 countries, 100 countries. I was managing team in 33 countries when I was in diagnostic business earlier. You cannot manage things. What you can manage is whether you manage diversity, whether you manage productivity, whether you manage leadership, whether you manage the KPI, KRA objectives, is about your leadership. And the same thing should go down the line. They should manage their leadership team. And that is the way organization manage, whether it's 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, 2,500, and even if you have a smaller team, if you're at a very lower level of management like area manager or ZSM. So I think you should focus on your leadership team first, but keep your eyes on to get feedback even from the ground level. That is the way things work out. Thank you very much.